Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Cybertruck versus the G-Wagon. Let's dive into their fundamental differences right away. The Cybertruck, with its electric powertrain and radical design, represents a futuristic vision. In contrast, the G-Wagon offers a blend of classic luxury, robust off-road capability, and a rich heritage. These two vehicles clearly cater to very distinct preferences and lifestyles, making for an interesting comparison. Regarding performance, the Cybertruck delivers impressive acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in as little as 2.6 seconds for some trims, and offers a substantial towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds. The G-Wagon, while powerful, focuses on rugged off-road prowess, featuring 3 locking differentials and high ground clearance. Their power sources, electric versus internal combustion, provide very different driving dynamics and experiences. Visually, the Cybertruck stands out with its sharp, angular stainless steel exoskeleton and a minimalist interior dominated by a large 18.5-inch touchscreen. The G-Wagon, however, maintains its iconic boxy shape, paired with a luxurious cabin featuring premium leather, wood, and advanced technology. These distinct design philosophies reflect their differing target audiences and brand identities. When considering practicality, the Cybertruck offers innovative storage solutions like its vault bed and impressive electric range, with some models achieving up to 500 miles per charge. The G-Wagon, while a luxury item, maintains strong resale value and undeniable brand prestige. Both have their unique appeal depending on your priorities. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.